Okay, I'm in a directory where I already included a number of files here. Mm, the there are only a couple important files. One is the class file, and the other one is the bibliography files. Um, IEEE trans.class defines the class formatting, and IEEE bib.bst defines the bibliography formatting, which is required by bitex. So the first one, trans.class, this is required by pdflatex, and the second one is required by bibtex to process the file. Let's look at the content of my file.text. Okay. Um, this is the IEEE trans, so that defines the formatting at the beginning, and it defines the title, the author, so it just replaces the text accordingly. Abstract section, you need to fill that in, keywords, and then it includes a file, input body file. If you look at the body file, it contains the actual writing of the text. So the formatting is separated from the content, which is the body of the text. Okay. Now let's come back to the original my file.txt. There's the acknowledgement section, and towards the end, let's come up. Here is the bibliography style file, and here is the file that I've included for citation purposes. Okay, my paper. If you open that file, you can see that the all the bibliography references are in the proper bibtex format. Okay, they all begin with in proceedings or articles, and so on and so forth. Okay, now to compile that, um, I'm going to use the command called pdflatex, my file. Okay, that's done. Now I change it to bibtex to generate the bibliography file. It says there's an error, but nevertheless the program still proceeds. And the error here says that there's no citation, so I haven't included any citation in the file here yet. So in the body text there is no citation. Nevertheless, I'm going to carry on with the second command of pdflatex. Now, uh, something is missing here because the bibliography has any item. I haven't included any bibliography. Whenever you see an error like this, you press R to continue. Now, remember this is the second time we type pdflatex. We need it for third time. Okay, I need to press enter again. Press R and enter. Okay. Because I haven't added any bibliography yet, I'm gonna add them now. Okay, so it's here. Uh, the bibliography is here. Okay, so let's just say on the edit citation, there's a key to the bibliography. I'm gonna add it to the body file. So let's cite this file, this bibliography. Okay. Now that once I've done this, I have to repeat the process. Uh, PDF latex. It's gonna complain, but that's alright. Let's start with bibtex. Now bibtex doesn't complain anymore because we have already just cited one article, our first article. Okay, once latex says that there are undefined references, and that's due to the citation. So update one more time. Now this is all done. Let's check at the. Let's look at the generated document. XPDF, we issue XPDF, and then my file.pdf. And there you go, you have your very first PDF latex file. Uh, In this example, I show you how you can include how to compile latex file with sources that you already have we have already written. Okay. Uh, in the latex source, I also showed you the how to include a figure in PDF format. Okay. The best way to include a table is to use an existing sample. So I'm going to include a sample here. Um, I've written a thesis, so in my thesis there is a table. So remember that I can gonna use the table there. Okay. So here's the table. I just copy the table and then pass it to the end of the body document. Okay. Save the document, and now let's compile that. Okay. It's been compiled, and latex says that some references might have been changed, so I'm going to compile it a second time. So done. Now let's look at the PDF file. Press and R to refresh it. So here's a table that has just been generated. So now you have to. So if I pass you the latex source file, you should be able to start writing by modifying the source files. So let's summarize what we learned so far. Yeah. To compile a latex file, you're gonna use pdflatex once, and then followed by a bitex, and followed by two pdflatex files, to update the references. So this is the sequence you need to follow every time. And with that, we complete our very first crash course on compiling latex source file.